sometimes I think to myself, when I went to this aquarium as a kid, that's probably something that stayed with me till today, and which is why I really love sea animals and why I have an aquarium right now. Good morning guys, on Monday 19th of December, and we wake up in the middle of Valencia on a crisp cold morning. If you've just tuned in, I'll be traveling Spain for the next 3 weeks over Christmas and New Year's. One of the first cabs off the rank, traveling, seeing what the post-COVID world looks like. So if you haven't already, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and give us a like down below. Now it still seems relatively early around here. You know, sun still seems like it's just rising, but it's actually pretty late. It is already nearly 11 o'clock. 11:30 in the morning, should I say. Need to go get some brunch. Yesterday I didn't even have dinner. I ended the vlog yesterday pretty early because I got back to the hostel and I was just that tired. I just ended up sleeping from, I don't know, like 6 p.m. Didn't go out, see what the nightlife was like. And yeah, had like a 12-hour sleep. Now I'm fresh, and hopefully now I've adjusted to the Europe time. So one of the good things about my hostel is it's just across this square, which is Central Markets, Mercado Central, which is one of the bigger markets here in Valencia. So outside here on the main square, lots of construction, it seems like, is happening around the city. But you can go eat at a restaurant out here. Lots of little markets on the outside, but the main attraction is the inside of that building. Spinach, por favor. Sí. 3 empanadas, sauce longaniza y tomate, revuelto y champiñones, y queso de cabra, por favor. There you go, the Central Markets pretty much had everything that you could possibly think of and want from a market. From fruits and veggies, to bakeries, to pastries, cured meats, nuts, fruits and juices and everything like that. So just loaded up, got my empanadas, got my little sandwich thing, got my fruit juice, so ready to start off the day. Oh man, definitely needed that. So nothing in there was more than just a couple of euros. You know, this drink was €1.50, the sandwich was €2. A lot of those pastry pieces was €1 each, so you could definitely get a bang for €1 at that place. And we have now made it to our activity of the day, Oceanographic Valencia. A little bit different to what people would normally do in Valencia. Who would have known this place has the 3rd largest aquarium in the world and also the largest one in Europe. So when I saw that, I had to go visit here. I've been meaning to visit the aquarium back in Sydney, but what better time to do it now that I'm on holidays in Valencia. So it's not too far from the main town, just off the marina, 10-minute bus ride from the city. And the ticket here costs €31 if you just wanted to go to Oceanographic. I think there's other museums around this place and you get the full pack for about €40. People say you need about 4 hours to visit this whole thing. Hopefully I don't take much longer than that since I started off a bit late. It's already 1:30 now, so let's not waste any more time and go check this place out. That is crazy. Oh man. Whoa, little baby turtle. Eek. Here we go. conocer a nuestros tiburones y rayas. Got the sandbar shark, bona fide scrub shark, shark ray, and of course the wobbegong from Australia. Got the short-tailed nurse sharks and eagle rays, round stingray, zebra shark, milk shark, and the black tip reef shark all over Southeast Asia. That is a big ass protein skimmer. What's more interesting, what's happening inside the tank, is everything that's happening outside of the tank. All the equipment, all the plumbing, everything that makes that tank possible for the fish and everything to live in. Are these things even real? You do not want to be swimming in and amongst these things and seeing these guys if you're out snorkeling. This is my section right here, the coral section. This is where all the magic happens. NPS corals, sea fans, non-photosynthetic corals, definitely sunflower corals at the back. Okay, so this is a map of the whole Oceanographic, pretty massive place. So this is where we started, and the first place we went to is, down here, number 1, which was Mediterraneo, should I say. So you can see all the kind of things you can see here. Basically nearly every single thing you could think of. Definitely one of the cooler aquariums so far. Tortugas y seals playing around. Sick. Just like live fish tank. Soft corals, cardinal fish, mushrooms. Yeah, there's scat. I found a big scat. Here, guys, is the main display. I definitely feel like a little kid going around this aquarium. Haven't been under one of these things in so long. Probably when I was like a little kid. Sometimes I think to myself, when I went to this aquarium as a kid, that's probably something that stayed with me till today, and which is why I really love sea animals and why I have an aquarium right now. This shit That last part, the Antarctic section, is definitely my favorite out of all of them. Not something that you see every day, and interacting with the beluga whales. And you can see even in their eyes, they were just staring at you as they swam past. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the sights around here at Oceanographic. It's 4 o'clock now, and to end the day, we have a last finale, which is the dolphin show, which is starting in 5 minutes right behind me. So stay tuned, we will be watching a dolphin show in Espanol. Alright guys, it is evening now and we are out again on wandering the streets of Valencia. It is just a little bit past 8 o'clock in the evening and I am starving. Haven't had anything to eat since this morning at the markets. I've been craving paella mariscos the whole day. So that's what we're gonna look for, seafood paella. I saw probably a good restaurant up in that street over there. So we'll head that way and check out the sights. Rightio, found my spot, and it wouldn't be a trip to Valencia without having Agua de Valencia here. It is a cocktail made from base of cava or champagne with orange juice, vodka and gin. Looks a little different to the one I had with Mara a few days ago. Very, very fruity. Most of the paella places here make it fresh, so gotta wait 30 whole minutes for my meal. Oh my god, I'm gonna be starving by the time I get it. Valencia is still on the east coast, and tomorrow I was gonna leave and head further south to the southern region of Spain, to Sevilla, Cordoba and Granada. But I didn't realize how far these places are. I thought it'd be easy just to catch a train to each of those places, but they're about 6 to 7 hours away. If I catch a plane, they're only about an hour's flight, but I really want to just avoid airports as much as I can. Airlines might have different rules, and I don't really want to get caught out with any PCI test requirements or anything like that. Alright, here we go. Paella mariscos, seafood paella. Freshly made. Oh my god, this looks so delicious. Here we go. Been waiting all day for this. Totally worth a 30-minute wait. Muy rica. This is the best. Paella Valenciana was good, but nothing beats a seafood paella. This is definitely still my favorite. Muy rica. ¿Está rica? Sí, perfecto. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today. It's going to be super hard to beat that meal. Definitely the best meal I've had in Spain so far. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.